Hey everybody, Mr. Kevin here from Humboldtcraftworks. It's a beautiful cold day here in foggy Humboldt County, California, and today I'd like to talk to you about making mistakes. A blunder, a miscalculation, you had a misstep, you had a snafu or a boo-boo. So today's mistakes are going to be brought to you by me and my lack of attention. Roll the intro. Well, that was fun. What do you think? Brand new. So, I had a little change on the plans on the project I'm working on. A simple little thing. So I write it down on the plans. I put a little sticky note on it like this, you know. Change to door with raised panel. Add to pull-outs behind door. So a few days go by, and I had to remake the face frame. Had to make it like this now. So it'll, you got one drawer here and a door with a couple of pullouts. Easy enough. So I get to the last face frame and I'm like, where the hell's the door? I know I made that damn door somewhere, and I find this. I'm like, huh? That's not 16 inches. What the hell? So I go to the plans and I look at that. So this is the right size. But this and this are the wrong size. Which one's right and which one's wrong? Well, this is right. And I made a boo-boo. I made a mistake. You know what I did? I'll tell you what I did. This rail, and the bottom rail down here are 16 inches. Yeah, okay. So I wrote down on my plans that the rails are 16 inches for the door. These rails and this raised panel, 4 inches too big. I'm an idiot. No, you dummy. So you think after 25, 30 years of doing woodworking, I wouldn't have these problems and these mistakes. Mistakes happen. And, well, I made a mistake. Nothing I can do about it now, so no crying over spilt milk and all those things, you know. They always say, measure twice, cut once. But if you write down the wrong thing on your cut list, it's going to be wrong no matter what you do. So things like this happen from time to time, and don't get discouraged, don't get all bent out of shape. I have a friend of mine, he makes a mistake and he goes through the roof, rants and raves and runs around. I was like, dude, it's just whatever, don't worry about it. A good mistake only costs you a little bit of your time, and which is money, but only a little bit of your time. It's not like you cut your finger off, or your dog got hit in the head with a flying piece of wood, or you just totally destroyed something by whatever, or you cut the damn thing short 3 times and cut it 3 times and it's still too short. I'm going to learn from this mistake. I'm going to tell you the first thing I'm going to do from now on is when I do my cut lists, I swear to do my best to do my cut lists. Turn off the TV, turn off your radio, turn off your phone, put it somewhere, or just get rid of it. Do your cut lists. All right? I don't know if I did a thing on cut lists, but it's very important to pay attention to these things. I made the door rails the same as the face frame, which made it 4 inches too big. Dummy. Good. I made a miscalculation. You'll spend thousands of hours learning your craft. Thousands. You'll spend, I don't know how many hours long. What do they say? 10,000 hours you haven't mastered? I've been doing this for, forever. I wonder how many hours you work in a year. Hold on a second. I'm going to kick out my calculator and figure this stuff out. So, 52 weeks times 45. I work about 45 hours. Well, it's 2,300 times 25. 58,500 hours. Let's say around this up to like 60,000. So at 60,000 hours, Mr. Kevin still makes silly mistakes.
Don't!
Because you get in a hurry, you speed up, things distract you. Things distract me all the time, like butterfly. Oh. Yeah, so welcome to my never-ending life lesson of slow down and do it right. It's a learning lesson. So, there goes my phone. There we go again, distracted by the damn phone. Hello, I would like you to build me something. No thank you, I'm booked. And that's the other thing, turn your phone off so you don't get distracted. All right, I'm gonna set this up. We'll take some pictures of this. I'll show you how I'm going to fix the oversized 4-inch door. At least the height is right, so that's a good thing. And I'm gonna use every piece of wood here and not remake anything. I hope. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it down on the table saw and reuse all the parts, every single part. I'm gonna cut this at right here, 2 3/4 on the table saw on this side, and I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna do the same thing over here, 2 3/4. So then once we get done with that, I'm gonna cut the rails to what I need them to be at 12 inches. So both these rails will be 12. The stiles will stay the same. I'm just gonna have to rip them down really close and then join the last little bit off where the mortise is. And I'll show you all this stuff once I cut it down. I'm gonna go cut it down and bring it back. And then I have to go back and I'm gonna have to shape it, shape the sides on the table saw again, re-rabbet it, the front and the back. And then I'm gonna have to mortise both rails and both stiles again. At least I don't have to buy any more wood. I'll time the whole thing. So ready? Here we go. 4:35. All right. See you in a minute. Bye. All right. So here's the raised panel. There's the mortises. But these got to be cut down to 12. Here's the other part of the door. I wonder if that'll come out. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it comes out. World's smallest raised panel. Skinniest. No. So the stiles I'm going to rip down on the table saw now. I just wanted you to see what it looked like. I'm going to cross cut these guys. The time is 4:41. So here's the raised panel. It's been rabbeted on both sides so it matches. Rabbet in the front. This is a 1/4 inch. Rabbeted the back. All ready to go. These got cut down and they're good and they fit on the panel just nicely. Haven't tried this one. Yeah, there we go. So now I'm going to go to the multi-router and use my multi-router to mortise all the ends, make them all beautiful. Mortise both sides of these guys here. Let's see if this Johnson's going to fit. We'll just do the old dry fit. Put this guy in here like this here. A little tappy tappy. We'll do the same on this bottom rail. They go in pretty nice. That multi-router is an amazing thing. I'll just get it started here. There we go. And I'll just, maybe I could just tap on it like this here. Yeah. And there it is, the door. And it should be 16 inches. God, wouldn't that be funny if it wasn't 16 inches? Look at that. 16 inches. So that probably took me, it's 5:43 right now. I still have to glue it up. But it probably took me maybe 20 minutes at the most because I had to change the blade twice. All right, well, mistakes happen. And there it is. The whole door way out here. All right, door. So you're gonna spend thousands of hours and make hundreds of mistakes, and that's okay. As long as you learn something from your mistakes, you're good to go. It's like, okay, I learned something. As long as you're not hurting yourself, you're not one of those people that are klutzy on the table saw and, this week I cut a slice off my thumb, and 2 weeks later you cut this pinky on the damn joiner, and a couple weeks after that you've taken the driver and stuffed it up your fingernail. If you're a person like this and this happens to you a lot, maybe you shouldn't do construction. Maybe you should stick to like librarian or something. Because that happens. The klutzy people it's a real thing. I know people. I've worked with people that are klutzy. You screw something up, you fix it. You learn how to fix it, put that in your little memory bank there, and you go, okay, my little monkey brain's going to hold that in there, and I'm not going to do that again. And then you write something down on your cut list that's the wrong thing, and 60,000 hours of work and you're still messing up. Oh well, that's why I make this video, so everybody can see. Hey, it happens. It's what happens. You know what I'm saying? It happens. Yeah. All right. Well, I hope that was helpful to somebody. If it was, let me know down below. Comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell. You know, all those things if you like. Thanks for watching Woodworking with Mr. Kevin, spending time with me and listening to my baloney. And I'll see you next time. You have an awesome day, and don't forget, you know, keep trying. You'll get it. It just takes practice. Practice makes perfect. All right, we'll see you. Bye. Did I do it? Did it come out all right, or do I got booger again? Dusty. It's very dusty. I hope I didn't snot on the lens. Did I snot on the lens? Oh, God. It's because I'm looking in the light. Oh, fucking duck. Son of a banana. Oh, man, it's coming out of all ends. Oh, I had a client bring me chili. I don't think she gassed the beans off.